Sorry to bother you, Mr. Krabs, but I caught Squidward buying a drink using the money from the cash register, Mr. Krabs.
Squidward brought a drink with me money?
Hey, Mr. Krabs, you gotta try this!
Cash, understand me, Mr. Squidward?
All right, Mr. Krabs.
Holy crap, Squidward.
Shut up, Spot!